So, good morning, students. I, Arpit Tripathi, welcome you all in your online remote class. Today, we are going to study the very important topic of computer science, that is MS Word. So, what is MS? Here, Microsoft is an operating system. And first, we will clear that what is operating system. So, operating system is an interface between the computer and a user. Means a computer user and a computer hardware. It is an interface between the computer user and a computer hardware. It is an interface. So Microsoft is a operating system, and Microsoft provides one file, that is Microsoft Office. When we will go on a corner, there is a start button. We will click on a start button. Then we will go on all programs, and here we will find Microsoft Office. So what is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is a collection of applications. Means collection of applications, that is Office. Here Office contains, when we click on the Office, here look, many other options are there here, like Microsoft Office SS, Microsoft Office Excel, Microsoft Office Group. So here, what is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is a collection of applications. Each application gives is for unique purpose and provide a specific service. Each application each application is for unique purpose and provide a specific service, like MS Word, Microsoft Office Word 2007 here written. So Microsoft Office is to create a document. Microsoft Excel is to create a chart or table. Microsoft PowerPoint, here Microsoft PowerPoint is for creating a presentation. Means each and every application is for unique purpose, and they provide a specific service. Now, today we have to study Microsoft Office Word. So, let's start Microsoft Office Word. Here, this is the home page of Microsoft Word. So, here we can see look at many options here. So, first we will discuss about the basic things, that how the documents are created. So some basic features we are going today, we will study some basic features about MS Word. So here, at top, here it is written that home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, and then here some other options are there. So when we have to choose the page, so there are two types of page, that is portrait and landscape. So for choosing the page, that at which type of document we want, either it is lands in the form of landscape or portrait. So for choosing the page, we will go on a page layout option. Here it is written page layout, so we will click on the page layout. Here it is written orientation, so we will go on orientation, and here two options are there, portrait or landscape. If we want, this is in the form of portrait, and now if we want landscape form, then look clearly, when we'll click on the landscape, the page will be in the form of landscape. Now we'll move on home. So what is this Calibri body? Calibri body, here it is a font, in which font we are going to write a sentence. So this Calibri is a font. I'm writing one sentence or the name of our school, that is Abhyuday Public School. So suppose I'm choosing this font, Times New Roman, and I'm going to type then Abhyuday Public School. And now I'm going to write in the form this. Abhyuday public school. Now look, here two different, here I have written same sentence in two different fonts. So this several fonts are for writing a document, creating a document in different fonts as we required, as it is required. So now the size of this sentence is very small. So for resizing it, we can select it like this. We can click right click, left click, and select this and move towards just right side of the font option. Here it is written 11. So what is 11? 11 is the default size of any word which we write in a Microsoft Word. So here we can, when we click here, several options for the size is given. So if we want to 18, suppose we want this sentence in this size, so we can select 18. We select and scroll down. It will show on your page that which size gives which figure. So now moving towards next. Here one option is bold. Here it is written B. So if we want to write any sentence in bold or any word in a bold, then we select like this, and we will click on this B. Then look here, this will come in the bold. Earlier it was like this, and when we select it and click on the B, result will be in the bold. So this option is for bolding the word or a sentence. Okay. Now next option is italic. So suppose that we have written in a simple font, this we have written in a simple font, and we want this to be italic. So we'll select like this, and we'll click on I, and then this will be in the italic form. Now next option is this is known as underline option. This is known as underline option. So here we have several options for that, how which type of underline we want. So suppose that we want simple underline. So we'll select like this, and we'll click on this. Here look at it. Here one underline is selected. Now this is also for increasing the size like this, and this is for decreasing the size. If you don't want to select, you if you don't want to select the size, you select this sentence and click on this. This size will be increased, and at this size will be decreased. Now 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 we will study that how to save a document. Or so when we create a document, there are many things which I'll tell you in our next video, but I'm going to tell you that how to save a document. So we'll click on here, we'll go on a save as, file name, and we'll select where we have to. Suppose we have to save at desktop, so we'll click on the desktop, and then we will go on a save option. Okay. Now here is the insert. So what is insert? If we want to insert some special thing in our document, then we move on insert. So first one is blank page. If we want to insert a blank page, so we'll click on the blank page. Here break page. If you want to break the page into two parts, then we will go on a break page. Here table. So if you want to create a table on our document, then we will go on a table like this. Look, we will go like this. Here table is being created. and look at your document here. I'm moving my pointer and the table is being created. Okay, you can create your table by your own also by giving your row and column. Okay, like this, we get number of columns, number of rows. Here we can give a number of columns, that what number of column we want in our table and what number of rows we want in a document. Okay, so I'm cutting this. Now next picture, if we want to insert any picture in our document, so we'll go on this option picture and we will click here. We'll go at the location where that picture is saved, like this. We have selected this and we will insert. Click on the insert. Here, look here, picture is there. So we can resize like this. We can rotate it like this. We can move it where we want. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is what how to insert a picture. Okay, now the next option is clip art. Here are some clip art, some basic pictures which we can insert in a document. By this clip art, sorry, in clip art there are some basic pictures like hello, goodbye. These pictures we can insert in our document. Here shapes. So if we want to create any shape in create any shape, we want to insert any shape in our document, then we can click here like circle, oval. So we can create an oval here. Okay, take another example, star. So we can make a star. Okay, so these are some, and when we click on this, we are able to select the color, that of which color we want to make this or fill this by which color. Okay, now the another example is smart art. There are some smart arts which we can insert in a document. With charts. So if we want to make any chart, that is a bar graph, pie graph, line graph, mathematics, I think that you have studied. So if we want to present any statistics chart, so we can make here. Okay, now here is the word art. If we want to insert any design sentence, so any sentence in a design or a highlighted way, so we can choose any of this. So I'm choosing, suppose this, I'm writing here well, and I'm writing okay. So look here it is, this in this form. Okay, so there are some equation like pi and some mathematical equations, like if we have to insert the symbol of pi, the symbol of rupees, then it will be there. And now in our next video, we will learn something else about MS Word. We will learn something else about the MS Word, like watermark, page color, page border, and many other. It's a very interesting chapter, and a lot of options and features are there. So in our next video, we will learn about that. So I'm giving some worksheets and MCQ. You have to solve that and be prepared for your next. These are the basic things. So if you have a PC or a laptop at your home, practice this, save one document, and now I'll tell you more about this. So thank you and take care of yourself.